Hi, my name is Caleb, and I'm the owner of Lake State Cleaning, and I just want to thank you for the opportunity to provide you with a quote. We know how hard it is to find a great home services company these days. So many of them are unreliable, they don't deliver on their promises, they bring scary looking people to your home. Nobody wants to deal with that. That's why at Lake State Cleaning, we've developed our whole process around you, the customer, to make sure that you have an awesome experience. We start with amazing communication. We promise to always answer your calls, your messages, and your emails in a timely manner. And we also promise to keep you in the loop on your project from start to finish so that you always know what's going on. We also know how busy you are and how precious your free time is, and we want to protect that. So we do that by being convenient and easy to work with. From online booking and scheduling to paying your bill online to being able to reach us from a lot of different directions, we make it as simple as possible for you to work with us so that you can get the work done when you need it done and then move on with your life to more important things. We also know how important trust is. We want you to trust us when you hire us. That's why we invite you to look at our hundreds of 5-star reviews online. When you check those out, you'll see what your neighbors already know. You can trust Lake State Cleaning 100%. So on behalf of the whole team, thanks again for the opportunity. We're really excited to work with you.